solar thermal systems made with Euro 2V press fittings. Euro 2V press fittings, in a ISI 316L stainless steel, or carbon steel, with the M profile, or V profile, can also be used for solar thermal systems. If they are solar thermal systems, used exclusively for heating, since this is a type of system with a closed circuit, we can use carbon steel press fittings. If, on the other hand, the solar thermal system will also be used for dispensing domestic hot water, since it is an open system and not a closed circuit, we can only use stainless steel press fittings. For the type of O-ring that can be used in solar thermal systems, we can use the standard EPDM O-ring, with maximum temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius. This O-ring is also compatible with the presence of steam in the system. For a maximum temperature of 180 degrees Celsius, on the other hand, we can use red or green O-rings made of FKM FPM. Keep in mind, however, that these O-rings can't absolutely be used in systems with steam. Thanks.